Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through an ant-ag exercise to help with posture. So first of all, bring the arms across the body, elbows just separated. Take a breath in, 6 seconds through the nose while you're tightening, contracting through the front of the shoulder and through the chest. So 6 seconds there on the breath in through the nose, and then quickly drop the arms down, 6 second breath out through the nose. Then the other part of the exercise is to bring the shoulders back, so hands about shoulder height. You're going to lift the chin slightly and lift the sternum almost a 45-degree angle forward and up. Make sure that the bend is more through the thoracics, squeezing through the muscles of the shoulder blade, through the muscles behind the shoulder, and again you're taking that 6 second breath in through the nose. Then after that 6 seconds, again you allow the body to drop, allow the shoulders to drop down, arms to drop, and then you go through that sequence again, twice more with the breathing. So it's a total of 3 times running through it, 6 seconds each hold, 6 seconds each relaxation. And if you can do that 5 times a day, you'll get great benefit and improvement to your posture.